can always see the name. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. I did promise you guys in that last unboxing that I made that if you did make it to 200 likes, I will try and go ahead and get an insane unboxing out for you guys. This is the rest of the stuff that I had to unbox, so make sure you go ahead and slap the like on this one. Get it to like 300 likes. This is gonna take a long time to edit. As you guys saw in the thumbnail, there's a bunch of items to go through for this unboxing, so make sure you slap a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you would like more content like this. Also, let me know what kind of videos you would like me to make in the comments below. Make sure you also click that Gleam link at the top of the description if you are trying to enter in a Supreme giveaway where there's gonna be 5 different winners. There's 2 tees we're giving away, a Supreme shoulder bag, Supreme Oreos, and a Supreme Motion logo beanie in black, so you definitely don't want to miss out. The instructions will be in the Gleam link. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel and subscribe to my girl's channel and enter in the Gleam link and you're all set. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So in this unboxing, we got some FTP, some sneakers, we got a little bit of everything, but we're gonna go ahead and start with this box right here. This is a Supreme package. If you already know by this tape, you already know what it is. We do got this little box in this big box, and it does come with a couple stickers. We got a regular Supreme box logo, and we got this Bloody Valentine sticker as well. So 2 stickers came in that first package. But here we got the Supreme Heller mugs. This does have Supreme around the box, as you guys can see right here. Definitely a cool ass box. It says Heller on the top, and these are the Max mug, as you can see right there on the side as well. This Supreme branding is so fire right there. Definitely a fan of that. Let's go ahead and pop the box open. Honestly, I don't want to break the box because it's so fire. And here you do have 2 mugs. I'm gonna take the mugs out so we could further inspect them real quick. We do got that Sup branding right there. Both of them do say Sup on it, as you can see. These are obviously the clear ones. I am a fan of these. I feel like once you pour something in it, it will change color obviously, and this will pop a whole lot. I love the fact that if you're having like a coffee, it'll turn brown. If you're having orange soda, it'll look orange. It's definitely a cool piece to go ahead and have in the collection, and it is something that definitely will be usable. This is like a plexiglass. You can even see my breath turns it a different color. Look at this. Fire, bruh. Next up, we got this little package. Dumbest purchase I've ever made from Supreme. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. And here we do have a poncho, bruh. Not 1, not 4, not 3. 1 poncho, bruh. I'm kind of glad I did add this to an order because I would have been sick if I would have paid shipping for 1 poncho, bro. 1 poncho. Next up, we got this package right here. I don't know what's in this one. Actually, I already do by looking at it, but we do have some more regular box logos in that package as well. Actually do have this cut off crew neck. I feel like this one ended up bricking, which was pretty crazy. I honestly expected this one to do way better than it did. It's honestly kind of shocking how this one ended up bricking, and it was supposed to be the box logo of the season. That was really unexpected for me, but I did end up getting it in this black colorway right here. If you guys would like me to do a review on this one, make sure you go ahead and let me know in the comments below, and I will get that done for you guys. The logo is low-key hidden in the mist. That's probably why it doesn't have that good of resell, because that logo is literally like not even there. If you're far, bro, you cannot tell that the logo is there. I feel like the better colorway is definitely that gray color, because on that one you can actually see that it is a cut-off logo. Like, it still has the box in it and everything, but I still feel like this should have done better than what it did. I feel like honestly I'm gonna end up selling this and buying the Motion logo hoodie, because I am a fan of that one way more than this crew neck right here. I might end up having to let this one go, honestly. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get into this package right here, which actually does have something a little bit different. This is the FTP Lyrical Lemonade collaboration, as you guys can see by the sticker. We did get all 3 pieces. I'm gonna show you guys this last. I feel like this I will be keeping. $10 for some lemonade is ridiculous, but right here we do have the tee. Honestly, I feel like I'm gonna keep either the tee or the hoodie. I don't know exactly which one yet, but the tee is right here. Got that Lyrical Lemonade logo on the front right there. I think I'm gonna pop open the hoodie because that one might be the one that I'm keeping. The tee, honestly, I could let go of. I don't really care, but it's the same exact design on both. I honestly would just rather keep the hoodie because I already have FTP tees and I don't have any hoodies, so I'd rather at least keep this. It has that Lyrical Lemonade logo on the front right there, as you can see, with the FTP right under it. And then on the back, you got that little FTP with the juice box logo. I feel like it's not that that bad. They definitely could have done something better, but it's not that bad. It says Lyrical Lemonade and FTP right under with a straight to the point 2020. I feel like this is something that I would wear. It's on the simple side. The quality of FTP hoodies actually isn't even that bad. I didn't have any up to this very moment. I feel like I need to buy more hoodies from FTP. This is a really thick quality, and it is that all black color that I honestly would love to rock on a day-to-day basis. Huge fan of the hoodie. I definitely feel like I am gonna keep this in the personal. As far as the tee goes, I probably would end up raffling it or just selling it. Let me know if you guys are interested in this tee. Don't need to keep this. I have the hoodie. I don't need the same exact design on the shirt. It just doesn't make sense at all. But the main focus from this collaboration was definitely this right here. The FTP Lyrical Lemonade. This is the Lyrical Lemonade right there. I didn't even know they made their own lemonade, but this is the FTP collaboration of it. My box is kind of banged up, I'm not gonna lie, and it does cost $10 for a can of lemonade. Let's be realistic, that is ridiculous, bro. If it wasn't for FTP coming out with this, honestly, I wouldn't even think of paying $10 for a lemonade. Literally one can. I understand if it would have been like 4 cans or something, that would have been cool, but here we have the can. It got that FTP all over it. You got that all over print, that big FTP branding, has like the nutrition facts right there with the Lyrical Lemonade logo dead on the front. It's not even like it got a false bottom, you could put something in here. No, it's a can of lemonade, bro. It doesn't make sense. Next up, we're actually gonna get into this package. You guys already know what this is. If you buy Supreme, they typically send only one thing in these type of boxes, the skate decks. This one is by far my favorite skate deck that I own in the collection. This shit is so fire, bro. Come on. This is so fire, dude. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one as of yet. I'm probably gonna end up putting it on the wall. I don't know if I should put it here. I feel like it would look so fire right there, but it's also a small logo, so I probably will just put it somewhere else. This definitely has to be my favorite colorway out of all of them. You cannot go wrong with that Motion logo on the front. Honestly, when I first saw this, I thought the logo was gonna be on this side, but it turns out that it's actually on the back of the skateboard, which is that much better. This is supposed to be like a cruiser board, but I don't really see the thickness too much. Definitely a fire skate deck coming from Supreme. I feel like they've been killing it this season, and this is not an exception, to be honest. I do wish that the sticker that they put in here was a special logo sticker that only came with the skate deck. Like for example, this one came with the Motion logo sticker. That would be so fire. So we're actually nearing the end of this video. If you are still watching, make sure you slap that like button on this. Honestly, there's a whole bunch of boxes, a whole bunch of shit that I did end up going through, but we're not done just yet. We got another package right here, another 2 Supreme stickers. We have this lighter case right here, which if you guys remember did drop a couple weeks ago at this point. You got that Supreme big lighter holder. I am gonna end up keeping this. Obviously, it's not even that expensive of an accessory, and I feel like it's a pretty cool one. You just throw a lighter in here and it looks pretty fire. It has a little keychain on it. You could put any color lighter. I honestly feel like I should have got a different color, but you just slide it in here, close that up, and then you have a Supreme lighter in a way. I hope the logo stays on there if you use it. This was only $8 retail, and they actually came out with 3 different colorways. This one, a smoke gray and a clear. I definitely should have got the smoke gray color, but this is a fire accessory nonetheless, especially for the price that they dropped it at. But the main thing in that package is this pair of shorts. These are actually big as fuck. What is going on? These are fire though, I'm not gonna lie. They're big as shit, but I'm not gonna lie, these are fire, bruh. This is like a garment dyed navy blue gray type color. This is so fire. I love that branding going down the leg. This is definitely my first pair of Supreme shorts that I get. I feel like this season I have been buying more pants than I ever have. I have a pair of long pants and a pair of shorts, plus the swimming trunks that I bought like last year. Definitely fire. I love that branding going down the right leg. You got that all over camo type print on these. I honestly can't even see myself letting these go. They might have been sweats and they just cut them at the bottom, to be honest. These are hard. These are staying in the personal forever. These are just super cozy. But we got a couple more things, then we're straight up out the building. I got one Jordan pickup and I got one more Supreme pickup, then we're straight up out the building. So right here we do have a JB pickup. This doesn't really matter, throw that to the side. And here we have a Jordan 1. As you already know, we did scoop up a pair of Jordan 1s recently. Got the new size tag right there. Pop this Jordan 1 box open, and in here we do have the Royal Toes. These are fire, bruh. These are so clean. The leather is plush on these. These are so fire, bro. Come on. You cannot go wrong with this pair of sneakers right here. I just love the way they incorporated the color in this. I feel like they did these perfectly because it's mainly a black sneaker that almost looks like the Fragment, but it doesn't at the same time. The leather is actually pretty plush on these. You got that leather tab on the front, which they have been doing. I'm glad that they kept the Wings logo regular on these, honestly, because that's kind of bugging me, the fact that they have been changing this. The Royals might be one of my favorite Jordans, so this right here is probably it for me, bro. From this year's Jordan 1s, I definitely would say that these are it. Definitely a clean pair of sneakers, and honestly, you can't go wrong with these right here, bro. Whoever didn't like these is tripping, because this is probably the better Jordan of the year in my opinion. Fire ass pair of kicks, definitely one of my favorites for this year so far. These Jordan 1 Royal toes are gonna go up so much in the future. I would recommend anyone who bought these and is looking to resell to hold them for 2 years and watch what happens. Look at the bread toes. Those were going for like $250, $260, and they're going for like $500 right now. So if you're looking to invest your money, these are definitely a good way to go. Now we're gonna go ahead and get into our final pickup. This is the Big Mama, the big box. I did unbox a whole bunch of stuff for you guys in today's video, but this is the biggest package that I have. Honestly, it is from Supreme. If you have been checking up on the drops recently, you would know this is the lawn chair. Shout out to Marco for this pickup right here, because he actually was able to succeed on buying this for me. It does come with 2 box logos, and it brung this sticker as well. This chair is so fire, bro. Definitely underrated. I didn't even know you could buy 2 in 1 cart, which is insane to me. I love the way that this chair looks. This is like the perfect sit outside and lounge chair. At this point, I have 3 different chairs which are hyped. I got this one, I got the Supreme Director's chair, and I got my FTP foldable chair. This is definitely one of my favorites though, I'm not gonna lie. Obviously, I gotta stick with the Director's chair from Supreme because that's just my first one. Bro, come on, that's just fire, bro. Like if I sit down on there doing a live cop, definitely can't go wrong with this chair. Honestly, fire, bro. This is a fire ass chair. I would even do a review on all my chairs if you guys want. This is the final item for this video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you go ahead and slap a fat like on this video. Get it to 300 plus likes, and I will keep doing these massive unboxings for you guys whenever I do get some more items in. But slap a like on it, please, because this is gonna take a lot of time to edit, and I would appreciate your support. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this type of content and would like me to make more of these type of videos. Click that Gleam link at the top of the description once you're subscribed to my channel and my girl's channel to go ahead and enter a 5-winner Supreme giveaway. We're giving away a Motion logo beanie, 2 Supreme tees, Supreme Oreos with 5 stickers, and a Supreme utility bag in blue. You definitely do not want to miss out on this giveaway. But that pretty much does it for this one. If you enjoyed, like I said, slap the like, bro. Come on, 300 plus likes. I know we can do it for sure. But that pretty much does it. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.